Here is a recipe for quick chocolate chip or walnut banana muffins. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by taking 3 ripe bananas and mash them well. Add 2 large eggs. Add 1 cup granulated sugar. Mix these ingredients well using a hand mixer and then set the batter aside. Using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, add a half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a half a teaspoon salt. Mix well. Once the dry ingredients have been mixed, add the banana mixture and mix well. If you wish, you can also add 1 teaspoon vanilla. At this point, add a 1/4 cup of vanilla yogurt, plus 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Continue to mix well. Separate the batter by putting 1/2 of the batter into a separate bowl. This is to be done if you wish to have chocolate chip muffins as well as walnut muffins. Add a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips in one bowl and a 1/4 cup of finely chopped walnuts in the second bowl. Continue to mix well. Using a 12-cup muffin tin and also lined with baking cups, fill 6 of the cups with the walnut batter. Next, fill the remaining 6 cups with the chocolate chip batter. You may also wish to garnish the top of the chocolate chip muffins with extra chocolate chips. Bake for about 30 minutes in a preheated 350-degree oven. And enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe.